turn left.
Welcome back to the channel. Yeah, I look a little different today. We were in Bruges yesterday and I got a haircut. I just asked for a European haircut and that's what they gave me. It's short, it's very, very short. Anyway, we're at Toverland today and we have just had 2 rides. We did Maximus's Blitzbahn, and I can see how that's a low capacity ride. We had 15 minutes for it and we got there like right as it opened. It's a fun ride though. It's nothing special, but it's fast and fun. Then we did Toverland. I like the onboard audio. I didn't really know about that. It's a Kelowna Sierra Sidewinder at knots, and I really enjoy it. It's smooth and it's a family coaster. And now we're gonna head over to Troy because we don't want to catch it in a long line, and then we're probably gonna head to Phoenix. Got off Troy and it was fun. It was a little rattly, but nothing that bad. But yeah, it's a good ride. Now we're gonna head to Phoenix. Looks like this ride right here is closed. Booster bike. I don't know if it's today or just temporary. Hopefully. have two rides done, Phoenix and Gerstflower Skyfly. Phoenix was awesome. I loved it so much. The wait time was bad though because the operations are insanely slow and they only have one train. They shouldn't. So it said it was a 5 minutes wait, but it took like, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes. Not horrible, but then we did the Gerstflower Skyfly. I think it's called 6 hours or something. And I think I'm just not getting it because I could not flip. I like tried to lean into it, did the arm thing. It was just really hard. I showed it in my POV, but yeah, not a great start. I'll maybe try it again later. But now we're gonna go out. We just did Choose Express and the Funhouse, and they were both awesome. The Funhouse is awesome, obviously. It's a European Funhouse, my first one, so that was exciting. And now we're going on the Baby Yoda lodge swim thing. Yeah, let's go.
Hallo, ik zeg naar links gaan. Je moet naar links. Stoppen, stoppen. Terug, terug. Oh, wacht even. Nee, dat gaat gewoon.
Such a bizarre ride. It's so fun though. It's just a weird ride. I haven't been on a backwards walking before. That was really cool. So cool. They just hand painted all that. Now they're on that. It's such a cool park. I love it. It's would never be a thing in America. I love European parks. I literally can't see. Okay, so we just completed our day at Toverland we did Merlin's Quest. We did this very small kids ride, and I don't know how they let us on. You're supposed to be a child, but they let us on because it's Europe. Then we did Phoenix. It's a short ride, but you know, it's fun. I'll do a proper outro once we get out of the park because there's like thousands of people coming at me right now, so give me a minute. The amount of little kids here, it's insane. Thank you for giving me a minute. Those kids would have literally jumped at me and hurt me. Anyway, we're leaving Toverland. It's a very European park. I said that about every park because we are in Europe. Yes, we're in Europe. If you didn't know, probably know though. So yeah, it has a lot of little quirks like those little walkways and the fun house. It's just all these things that wouldn't be allowed in America. Even like the ride operators can just walk on the track whenever. Like you don't see that in America. It's just interesting to see that. But yeah, we're flying out tomorrow. We're going to the Amsterdam hotel. I think it's a Sheraton, and we're leaving. And this was such a fun trip. I loved it so much. I really wish it wasn't going to an end, but you know, I got a lot of editing to do. I'll probably do some on the plane. But yeah, thank you guys so much for following me on this whole journey. Support on Instagram has been crazy. I love it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time.